In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your location with other Google Maps users. You can do this using just your cell phone number, don't need emails or anything like that, and you can see their location right in Google Maps, either for a short duration or forever. On your profile image icon up on the top, and then tap on location sharing. Here you get a short blurb on what it is. If you tap this gear icon, it will give you more information about location sharing and what you're sharing exactly. Important stuff. Tap on share location down here to turn it on. Then you can pick a user to share the location with. You can select for how long you want to share location. You can add time, have it be a certain number of hours, or you can have it until you turn this feature off and your location will appear on their map. And if they share it with you, their location will appear on your map. It's pretty handy stuff. And if you're concerned about privacy on your phone, there are a whole bunch of settings that can track you. This video shows you where they all are and how to turn them off if you want to. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.